Google Maps offers multiple ways to view the world, and two of the most useful options are satellite view and terrain view. Each provides a different perspective of the map, helping you better understand locations, landscapes, and geographic features. To get started, open Google Maps in your browser and navigate to any location you would like to explore. This can be a city, mountain range, hiking trail, coastline, or any place that interests you. Once the map is visible, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and find the Layers button. This control allows you to change how the map is displayed and access additional map details. Click the Layers button and select Satellite. Google Maps will switch from the standard map view to high-resolution satellite imagery. Instead of roads and simplified map graphics, you'll now see actual aerial photographs of the area. Satellite view is useful for examining buildings, vegetation, bodies of water, coastlines, and other real-world features. It provides a more realistic representation of the environment and can help you better understand the layout of an area before visiting. After exploring satellite view, you can switch to terrain view. Open the Layers menu again and enable terrain under the Map Details options. Terrain view adds geographic information such as elevation contours, hills, mountains, valleys, and landforms. This is particularly useful for outdoor activities like hiking, trail planning, cycling, camping, or exploring mountainous regions. As you zoom in and out, you'll notice that terrain view highlights elevation changes that may not be obvious in the standard map view. This makes it easier to understand how steep an area is and how the landscape is shaped. You can switch between satellite and terrain views at any time depending on the information you need. Some users prefer satellite for visual detail, while others use terrain when elevation and topography are more important. Using both views together can provide a more complete understanding of a location, whether you're planning a trip, exploring a new area, or studying geographic features. And that's how you switch between satellite and terrain views in Google Maps. Open the Layers menu, choose Satellite for aerial imagery, or enable terrain to view elevation and landscape details.